If you work in real estate and you're looking to farm an area, and maybe not only farm an area, but also you want access to the contact information within your farm, such as phone numbers and or email addresses for additional marketing purposes. Maybe you're talking to me and you want to run targeted social media ads to your farm. I'm going to show you how to take your farm list right now and download it so that we can then take that farm and do various different things on the marketing front. So I'm Jerad Larkin, I'm with Chicago Title. If you don't already have access to Title Toolbox, reach out to me, info@milehighTitleGuy.com. But what you're looking at right now is Title Toolbox after you log in. If you have an account that was created for you, go ahead and open up that email address that should have your email plus a login code to sign you in here. Once you do that, you're just going to click the top left corner, hit this Chicago Title logo right here, and it should take you to this mapping section. You can either create the farm from scratch. I encourage you doing that through the farming boundary search tool right here. But honestly, half the time I just try to make it easier on my clients and real estate agents. Just tell me the farm area. I'm happy to set it all up for you and then save the farm within your system. So assuming I already saved the farm area within your system and we dialed in all the filters and stuff, all you got to do now is just log in right here and purchase the phones and emails. So you're going to go to this screen, you're going to click on this farming tab, you're going to go down to saved farms. This is where I would have saved the farm within here for you. Just to pretend here, I'll go ahead and click on one of these. Let's just pretend it's this one. Sure. You're going to see your farm here. It should be named. You're going to click on this down arrow with the cogwheel, and you're going to choose the select button. So go ahead and click on select, and then it's going to load your farm. You'll start to see some of the addresses. They may be on multiple pages. You can see here this is one with 41 properties within it. Next step, if you haven't already just downloaded the farm, you can download it with all of its information right here. If you use a third-party mailing company called CoreFact, you can download the CoreFact formatted version as well. That way it easily just uploads into CoreFact. And then down here, this is where we're doing the fancy phone numbers and emails so we can run Facebook ads to these people. You notice you can't select this yet because you haven't purchased the phones and emails. So that's the next step. So what you're gonna do here is once this is loaded, click on Premier Data right here. This is going to pull up now a new screen with Premier Data where you can add additional filters, etc. You can see here on the far right corner, we want to click on phone numbers and emails, and we want to purchase both the phones and emails. Next, click Get Count. It's 12 cents per property. It's 5 cents per phone, 7 cents per email, so 12 cents a record. It's going to charge you the entire amount up front for every single property times 12 cents. Okay, it's never going to have a perfect match and find every single property. So how this works is it will charge you up front to your credit card, and then once it completes the search, whatever is not found will be refunded back, taken off of the total balance. So you're only going to pay for the phones and emails that are actually found. Okay, so once this is done, click Pay Now right here. You're going to click Pay Now. If you have a system already set up with a credit balance like I do, you'll see that, but most of us won't. So what you'll choose is credit card right here. You can see here I can't choose credit card, but normally you would just choose credit card, name the farm, right? Cool, Jared's Farm. And then you would fill in all of your information and then click Pay Secure. Bonus points, check this box right here to include the CSV file. It will email you once it's done. Click Pay Secure, and then you're done. You're gonna click that. It's going to load to the next screen. You can save this farm again with the paid records. And now you're going to receive a couple of emails. You'll receive one email that has just a receipt saying, hey, thanks for your purchase. Next step is very important. You need to wait. Just wait until you receive a follow-up email that says, hey, Jared, we've completed the search. We found this many phone numbers and this many email addresses. You can now click here to access your farm and download that farm. Okay, wait for that. It can take anywhere from, I've seen as quick as 5 minutes up into 72 hours. All the data is live data stored. Their data provider is CoreLogic, which is a really high quality data source. We have to wait for that to finish. Then we can log back in here, download the list. If you prematurely download the list, you're not gonna have all the contact info. So just again, wait until you receive that follow-up email. Once that's done, when you log back in here, you can now click the export option and you can choose this Facebook option right here. Okay, it will be lit up. Go ahead and click it, download it, have that list ready to go. That's gonna be the formatted way so we can run Facebook and Instagram ads. And then let me know if you're working with me from the advertiser's perspective, send it to me so I can now help you with running ads. And then we will move forward with the next steps. Again, Mile High Title Guy, Reach out to me with any questions. Happy to help. If you don't have access to Title Toolbox, reach out to me. Happy to get you set up with an account. All right, take care. Bye.